and there we go, man. Hey, you see everybody's reaction around here? That thing sounds nasty, man. It sounds nasty. Ready for these streets now.
Time 4:17. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and please keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful as items may have shifted in flight. You may now use your cell phones. American Airlines and our One World partners, thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you all again real soon.
What up, guys? All right, man, so I just got to Unique Rides. Just finished riding in that trash ass Uber. I don't know why people that do Uber, man, like, why do they not take care of the cars? If you're gonna use your car as a business, take pride in it, man. Boy, let me tell you guys, man, so I just got here and I actually heard it already. I can't wait to show you guys, man, but can't show you yet because they're out there right now. The detail team is out there, not detailing, but you know, just washing off the car real quick, so it'll be nice and pretty on the way home. But yeah, so once they finish washing it up and everything else, man, we'll turn it on for you guys, let you guys hear it. I wanted to show you guys, but he didn't have room on the you know, here, because he got this car here, so he didn't have room to put it up on the lift. But I pretty much got a full straight pipe, man. So you know, we got the Catless mids, we did the mid muffler delete, and we also did the resonator delete, man. So it's a full straight pipe. Yes, sir, man. So, like I said, once it's all said and done, man, we're going to turn it on, man, let you guys hear it, and then I do a couple pulls for you guys as well on the way home, so you guys can listen to it, man. So, all right, man. So once they finish, we'll get back to it. And you know what? And by the way, man, while I'm out here, look at this craziness, man. So as you guys know, man, if you got like I was trying to explain to you guys before I came in, I travel for work. If you're new to my channel, man, I travel for work. So I dropped off my car a couple days ago, and I wasn't able to, you know, obviously wasn't able to pick it up or do a video because I was gone for about 3 days out on the West Coast. But I just came back, man. I went straight from the airport to here, so I still got my bags and everything else. But at the end of the day, man, like, look at this crap, man. This is how the airport, American Airlines, broke my damn bag. Look at this. It's crazy. This strap, that strap. Like, come on, man. What is going on? Had to do a whole claim and everything else, man. So we'll see what happens, but that's crazy. Gotta get some better workers at American. Alright guys, here you go, man. It's a moment of truth. So this is not a cold start because we've been turning it on the whole time since I've been here, but so here goes a warm start with a Catless mids, mid muffler delete, and resonant delete. There we go, man. Hey, you see everybody's reaction around here? That thing sounds nasty, man. It sounds nasty. Ready for these streets now. Damn, man. Hey, so what you guys think about that? So I just picked it up. I'm on the way home now. I think I'm gonna do a little detour though, so I can go under a little underpass. It's not really a big underpass, but I just need to go under the underpass to see how it sounds. Damn, I can barely even hear myself. This is crazy. So what you guys think, man? I know one thing, my gas mileage is shot. Listen to that thing. Woo! Oh my God. And by the way, this thing crackles and pops like crazy now. Oh. All right, man. I'll see you guys when we get to the underpass. Oh my God! Oh! What the hell was that? Oh my God! Yo, that was crazy. Okay, I'm gonna turn around and do that one more time. Hey, and let me tell you guys, man, that wasn't even full throttle. That was like maybe half. Like, that was crazy. Oh man. All right, man, I'm about to go home before I get in trouble. Gotta go put gas in the car, and I'm gonna take this car home, man, for the night. So anyway, man, as you guys know, man, make sure you guys, oh, let me get a little focus in there. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. God, this thing is freaking a monster now. Woo! Damn, it gives me the chills. All right, man, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss what's going on, man, because trust me, this is just the beginning, man. I got way more coming, trust me. So me and Gabe at Unique Rides, man, we made a, we got a whole plan of what we're gonna do, man. We're gonna start hitting the performance mods up, because now that it makes a lot of noise, I need to make sure it goes as well. So make sure you guys hit that notification bell, man, because you don't want to miss it, man, trust me. All right, man, as you know, I'm your boy Fatkat, man. As I always say, man, we see you guys on the next one, man. Later.